Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, probably no upload a video for like probably a week, but you guys will be fine. Sorry about that, but life has been happening and happening is life, and we're just take it one day at a time, and we just still try to give you guys the videos as life decides to just do its thing. So as you guys can see by the title, we are at episode 6 in the Social House. There are 2 more episodes left. As I am filming it, the 8th episode is the last episode, and I just heard that today or yesterday, and so we are filming to get this out to you guys when we get it out soon. Okay, so episode 8, Social House. You have Charlie K, Fat Skull, Quiet Perry, Petite Sue, and the other skinny one, my virgin. Yeah, we're getting into it. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm super grateful. Tell a friend to tell a whole other friend, and make you come make you watch this video bareface and all. We're just chilling. We're not doing no bag of excitement, so we just do what we have to do, and we are good sugar. Anyways, let's go.
You used to work my food before?
No. It used to be one of them youth parts for them.
They're always thinking something is happening.
Stop this, Morris. Stop this.
I know you cook.
No, it's not good.
So I go on the house.
Permission no one cooking from Terry.
Tell me no man, let me hear what I go on the house, man. No one hear things there, man.
Well, the daddy drop out.
I love to see that they're having a whole dinner vibe
See.
in a broad daylight. Love to see it.
So the people them say.
Or lunch.
She look more like
I love that. I love that they're all bun.
Rummy.
I'm not gonna come in here with a foolishness, please.
you see that is the thing, you know. I always think me disrespectful when me just talk the truth. Why me can't talk the truth? Come, it's a viral there, man.
Yeah, so I was saying, TC's not here. I won't say the daddy. TC's not here anymore. She drop out. You understand? We don't know how she drop, but she drop out.
You don't know how the girl drop out. What you mean?
Yeah, her drop her off. Right at her yard gate. She not to give a come back at the house and drop her off right at the.
We know how she dropped out China K. She decided to drop herself out. This is what it is.
You don't know how the girl drop out. What you mean?
Yeah,
Thank
her
you.
Drop her off. Right at her yard gate. She not to give a come back at the house and drop her off right at the.
Yeah,
Also, the old, some of them must let her off our own.
Fast girl jump in her room.
Why not always I bring up that?
Pascal, take up a girl.
No, one day she's spending it.
A big drop, that's it?
Pascal not.
Why you always have to bring up that?
It's not me.
You know say you?
You know, so from me come and yell on a chat though.
Because I'm hungry, that's why.
Rob.
Pascal, me?
Just always I bring up that. Jeez.
Great
Jeez.
Pine one.
Because I'm not saying what I'm going.
You know, see something else that I want to go here.
I'm hoping there is going to be a topic that's going to be brought up very soon. Yeah, because Ramesh just looked like him just try to fit in at the table.
They make come at the wrong time, Rummy.
Don't! When them I eat and them raw.
So what do you want forward?
When we got drink or something. I don't know. Not now.
You have to understand, so sometimes it's not the time for father, that's the time when we can reach. Because after I leave here, you know, I have work and then I fly out and these things, you know.
Deaf?
Yeah.
You see?
So because I never get up on a plane. Never get flight before. Them never get booked me for nothing yet.
You know, so that's why I want a perfect comedian, because that's a lie.
Right. Right.
Things to just in the food.
First we hear Perry so quiet. You don't
So
even
Perry,
talk.
Yeah.
y'all was a trouble. Y'all was a fast people. Hold on there.
You know, say,
Last year,
let
let me ask you something.
Not saying nothing.
Last year, when I see the one big gym instructor, something seriously, I got turn one big muscle. What going on now? What is?
Belly in front
What go on?
time.
Life. COVID happening.
So I'm
No.
COVID. I lose 25 pounds of COVID. So I'm
You
thinking.
lose to it is stressful.
What I could do, Ramesh?
Yeah.
You floss, yeah? Like you show the success and everything that's going on with you. But everybody can relate to Ramesh.
Yeah, he's humble.
Everybody can
I am
relate to
still a human being
Ramesh.
and I'm not better than anyone. And I treat everybody the same way. But because you're a superstar or you're a man of white with glass I road. Treat
Yeah,
everybody
but
the
them
same.
time before Ramesh was the Ramesh, when people are undermine you and think say you're not nothing or you're not be nothing.
That's okay.
When you get popular, like some people, them should have said, oh, remember them time there? Or you did a look for me
Them
and
not
go there.
remember them only see it now.
Yes.
They must see the struggles and the roughness and the
Some
things
people
they
are-
must go through.
Yeah, but technically you can like be like standoffish and like, you know what I'm saying, be rude to those people.
I don't know why I feel like I trying to get the boy get Ramesh on the show the way or she alone and talk to him, she hug him. Like y'all get that vibe?
But you still keep it.
Positivity and keep things clean and moving in the best way. You'll sleep good at night.
I see.
You're sleeping disorder, don't it? Yes, see? You have it. You can have a phone with people and get them involved in their life.
No, I think what you're trying to say is when you're at a self-employed, your mind is always going. No, that's what I try to say. You always try to figure out what to do next or what risk to take
No, I'm
next.
not trying to make you sleep good at night, so I'm not trouble about it.
Oh, I think you're talking about business,
Nobody
man.
don't from Ramesh.
Now when it comes to business thing, I know it's a different thing, man. Sitting up here on our brains, can't stop cat. We just looking at the roof and we see calculator. We see what we had the next week, we see what we did last week.
Nah.
Yeah. Sponsors. Campari. Oh, them drink that taste bad, something they do, you know.
For Instagram, you know what you do?
I don't really watch your followers. Then.
Oh, you know what your followers then?
And then you have to understand, look on it.
Right.
Remember say, me have the artist, female artist, right? And she's very trending, she popular. So if she a grow, me I go grow.
Why is
Right.
pine on
That's why
his
they call
phone?
it
That's
teamwork.
so.
I was more popular than her.
Right.
I grow she,
Right.
and then she get more popular than me, and then she grow me. So that's why you have something named
Teamwork.
team.
Right.
When you see some man I do something and see them dep on team and them only a post for them thing and I do this and that's how team go. If a team a lose, you lose too. If a team a win, you win.
Right.
That's one team. So that's why if enough time people come and say, oh, I'm doing enough everything I send this here. Bro, she get more bashing than any artist we know in her music. When she just a start out. And we'll fight the trend there.
That's true.
And reach over there. And it's good when you're in entertainment to allow people to talk.
Good,
So
good,
once them
bad.
now bash you say, oh, you're rape a boy, you're thief people things and no problem. But anything is them want bash you, if they want to say, we're not there or them see around one part, fine. It's promotion.
Right.
Isn't
I
it?
believe that.
It's not illegal them bash about me care zero. Make them talk.
But you play games with them, you know.
You know,
On the internet, in just in the business, in just
Yeah,
doing
because
things
either
same way,
way,
in
they're
the
going
answer.
to talk. Even if you're not G, they're not going to talk about them, going to talk.
Trying to give me a producer vibe.
right now, I never say this on the little house and the people might take it and bash me now. Remember some other than enough artists?
Well, damn.
Can I have a drink to that?
Right.
Yes, yes.
I don't like the fact that Pine is on his
But that's true. Yo, as an
Your
artist,
phone,
you
brother.
know, it's not just about dropping song. And that's why when I tell you about you ask me if I want to manage influencers, I would. But our influencers are just ready and willing for work. And I have an idea, you're going to have bad days and you're going to have good days. You just have to work. Not because somebody come out and bash you means if you just come off on Instagram and hide.
Right.
No.
Like think about it. From Ramesh them time, from Make Clothes. I hosted a fashion show and Ramesh just did it and in my walking pieces them pan a runway. To Ramesh now.
Not me walk out.
No, but you know what I mean, like his designs. To Ramesh now, it has to be a strategy to still be in the lane and do your thing and navigate and go through. man smart. The man saying lay down and look and be calculations.
There are stuff that you plan,
Right.
but the next thing you just work with the energy of God and the whole universe and just be happy. Alright, I don't have time when I go through a whole heap of depression, right? I just tell myself, say, yo, I'm stressed and I can't bother. But you see, every time you tell yourself them something there, it drag you, it slow you down.
Drag you right
weak.
though.
You see when you jump up and you go to gym, go work out and your mind a kick and you go to work and your body feel tired and you say, no, I do this and you pressure yourself and it's positive. When something bad happens, you don't stress, you think about how to fix it, you get a different vibe. And
That's how I am. Like a lot of people more while them always dwell upon the negative, and I'm just over here like, okay, what are you gonna do about it? We're gonna do about it. Let's get into fix it mode. That's how I am all the time. So me hear your problem, me hear you cry, automatically while you talk, me I figure out how we fix it already. And that's just how you have to be sometimes, because if you dwell upon the negative, how you gonna manage, sis? How you gonna manage, brother? Come on, man, jump outside. Let's fix it.
I go through it all. I go through bad man with gunman and friend and gangster and police. I go through car crash and I'm supposed to dead and not dead. I go through every single thing. From a young youth coming right now to me an old man, I go through it. And everything that, every mistake I make in my life, I use it as something to teach me from this better. Every win I win, I try and see how I can win more than that. And the biggest thing where we as Jamaican have, where I see overall, is that two things. Ego. So people, an ex-producer, an ex-manager will respect me. He's not going to come and say to him artist, say, yo, you know, I respect Ramesh, but would I love for reason with him to see how better I can better your career. He don't want to tell him artist that because him feel set that they mean a film thing to make him look smaller. He not going to look for say, yo, you know, so it's good for get knowledge that that's how Jamaican people stay. Them not like take talk from people. And then the next thing is, if me come up and put my headline something positive, you will not read it. But if I come out and say something negative, oh God, man.
True.
Flood the whole world. So what you do? If me as an artist or me as a manager or me as a normal person say negativity, I go push more than anything else. We don't even want to push negative, but we're going to end up having to use it because I just that get them attention.
Yeah.
You see me? And then when you give them the positive, them say, oh, them boring, we can't take this and you give them a little mix up now, them glad for see it and then
love that.
Right,
Eat it up.
What we going to do? You are telling me now if we go manage influencer. Which influencer am I going to manage? Tell me. The good one them not have manager already?
No.
Not necessarily.
No.
So who not a manager out there's a good one you know?
I mean, you can, there's so many different ones, but I don't know. You have manager for school? Oh.
First girl of manager?
So you're not a manager?
I'll sign the paperwork.
You're a loan writer, so not a manager, so that means you're not good.
Listen.
I just say half of the equation and I just say a while ago.
Yeah, rephrase it because that was not nice.
You see if you win the competition.
I'm not for win for no some have influence.
Thank you.
You don't have to.
I want to deal them like a strategy. Right? That's why you're not catching
I'm
right.
listening.
That's why you're not having the manager for show.
Where? Anyways.
If you win,
Yeah.
you hear me good?
If you win.
You see anybody else a win, the deal not go for you. You see if you win, you're a manager.
Really, to the stars.
People,
the
everybody
stars
will
we
look.
go.
Me say if she win the competition, apart from all of the goods that she win, if she's interested, I'll manage her too.
I love that.
I push them cheating something for you.
I agree with that.
So yeah, well, remember when you get your million, you have to get 20% because my manager has a yes or no.
20? You can't start with a 10 or a 5?
No. Perfect manager for you, 20%.
Perfect. It's 20?
Yes.
The teeth is just like
A wrong hand that one day.
Well, me a
Oh,
shake with my left
wait,
hand.
no, shoot me up on the side.
Okay. Sure you want manager around me?
No, me just have one down. You know what
Hello influencers! Hi! Today's challenge is a cross-country challenge brought to you by Stuart. This is a group challenge. So you're gonna be in pairs, but it's 5 of you. So
I would have
the
put it
groups
up on our
are
head.
Group 1, Petite Sue and Quiet Perry.
I think they're good together. Road dog.
And because China K is by herself, we'll have a Stewart's Auto rep drive her. Okay? So the Stewart's Auto rep is gonna come now, and China K, that is you. Don't feel away.
Open the drive like turtle, that's all.
No,
Yes.
man, then you can just say,
But when we
Stewart,
drive fast,
rev
we
the-
have a problem.
But just
rev
I
it.
say, we need him to have better attitude today.
How you guys feel about your pairings?
Feel confident.
Good, yeah. We have a bit of chemistry. So.
You
Especially
and
on time.
You and Pine.
I love
so
the
the
outfit.
driver is here. I'm going to go up in our car.
You can't trick me!
And then man,
Cannot trick me! You can't trick me! You can't trick me! You can't trick me!
People, I'm nervous. I'm
Yeah,
up here by
people
nervous
order.
because Dan is here.
Roanne.
The king have arrived. They know the swabs. I'm there in the house. Out of house and don't have me. That makes sense? Huh?
You can't trick us about Stewart's driver! Why? When? Where? Steve over there said you can't trick me!
Very good. I create this big excitement. You can't trick me.
You can't trick me!
Come here, see about the company chicken, sir. You get me out there? You better come and chicken, but come here. You know what I mean? When the king arrives, you should be silent. You just have to understand that I am here. Dan is in the building, and that is all.
Go Charlie K by yourself!
That's
You can't trick me! Long time me I do this! Long time me I do this!
Favorite penny there.
What me tell you so?
Petite is just so like just watching what's going on around.
okay. You see first go.
Our Shaph says.
Okay,
Okay, this excitement is all a bit too much
going
for
to be
me.
a Stewart's outer person that's going to be driving me, and everybody didn't know about that, so I was kind of worried because everybody was partnering up.
I can't tell you, I could not tell. That one time, see my pop up the door. The show starts.
Welcome, Dan to the Social House. Everybody make a little noise for Dan.
No, sometimes I can't return on.
Dan. Oh God. So let's go over the teams again. Team 1 is QP and Petite Sue. Team 2 is Fat Skull and Prince Pine, and Team 3 China K and Dan.
He's very competitive, and I knew he's going to bring it, and I know together we're really strong, so I was
Yeah, because I'm a friend already.
For
Hopefully they
this
work
cross-country
together.
challenge, you will begin in Kingston and you will finish at the Stewart's Auto House in Montego Bay.
Montego Bay?
Fingers on your lips, Fat Skull. You will begin in Kingston and you will finish in Montego Bay. 3 things I needed to note. Number 1, it is not a race. So nobody say, boops, baps, baps, me gonna reach, I'm gonna be first, I'm gonna win. No.
Yeah, man, we know that, man.
Number 2,
Endurance.
Number 2, the apps that you have on your phone will give you the clues and will guide you to
Them cannot speed in a Stewart's car. Of course, that's why it's not a race, because that would not be wise. So I guess that's why.
the finish line. So make sure say your phone charged, make sure you have your data from Flow. Good. Number 3, I would suggest that when you go into your car's courtesy of Stewart's, you turn it to zip because we might have a clue there for you as well.
Sponsor them, turn up Noah.
Influencers, the team that crosses the finish line first will get a bonus from Boom. However, the purpose of this challenge is to complete all the different stops. Go to the different stops, get your points. And the team that completes all of those and amasses all of your points and crosses the finish line will win. Although it's a group challenge, remember that 3 of you are immune. Prince Pine, QP, and Dan because you just entered the competition. So bear that in mind and don't make nobody haul and pull you and draw you down. All the best, guys. May the best team win. Head to your cars. See you there.
Hi. Here's your package from JAA and JNGI. Inside you'll find some to gift items. Also a certificate from JNGI Shorty to cover your vehicle on the road. Here's your JAA member.
Oh, by the way, guys, I'm in that ad. JNGI Shorty. Country party. We have a I'm the Shorty. Okay. Alright, I'm done.
Card. If your vehicle break down, any kind of tire change you want, just call us and we'll be there right away to help you. Alright, stay safe.
Yes.
And have fun. Alright?
All right.
JNGI. of this.
Yeah, man. Wow.
Traffic.
This is crazy. Before we leave the house, we made a whole list, like differently from what the app gave us. Like we sit down, get the notebook and a pen, and we say, all right, you know what, this one do first, because like we never want to offer throw away because them kind of mix up everything. Like there were challenges in there that you did have to do in a Kingston before you go up on the toll.
So we and China Cake have a little alliance with the karaoke part. Gonna tell Pine and Fats call them. Supposed to sabotage me.
That me I say, me not trust nobody now. Me not trust nobody.
But that's not one Pine follow away and see where sister me and China Cake. I tell her
Just make them go on before we anything.
Make a pull over.
And throw them off. Probably drive one way for throw them off. Yeah.
Yeah.
That way I do.
Have to throw.
Drive.
Me really not trust them. I never expect that a while ago.
Right. But
With
we
the trucker.
need them help. Oh.
The trucker.
Prince Pine put one trucker in and we care for the challenge.
Me not like that.
My wife go in the other car and then put some tracker in there so we can go. But make it look natural, please make it look. I think I left my charger in the car. You see it? Who's my charger? No, man, I left it in the car, or the blue car. Scully, you left it in the next car. You find the charger in the next car?
I never tell me and come back,
Because
take out
you
the
have
tracker.
to figure out somebody something name. You have to figure out somebody something name.
Yeah, what's the thing?
Turn off this when I need this yet. We have to tell China Cake for me to meet a Mega Mart.
Mega Mart
Yeah,
instead.
traffic the right to
Yeah.
That not look good. This not look good. Take a dip bonus. Find a body of water and record a team member jumping in fully clothed. Okay.
So we need to know, babe. She said a body of water. This is a body of water. You want to do as much things as possible to get it out of the way.
In Kingston.
So I figure with the right desta and the pool the right desta, so we kind of trick them to pretend like we were driving out. Then we turn back and I'm going to jump into the water and water myself from the very beginning so we can do it and get that out the way and then on to everything else.
Fully clothed. Is she gonna have her shoes on? Ooh, girl. So while Petty them I try to team up with China Cake them they read them and look out for themselves. As they should. Yes, check out the people and see this. Hey girl. Alright.
You should just...
She have service on her phone now?
Call it Klein.
Cause she had to work.
Trying to answer the phone now?
She's serious? Is she this?
That was smart.
So,
Hello? Hello? Yes, can we up on Mega Mart instead?
how the traffic we got my Fontana.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that then.
Yeah.
What you sound, sir? How about the butt? Hey.
Nah, I couldn't know
What's
what.
she in the car and the one shot me just say,
Can't let them know what's going on. Smart still.
One of the challenges that we have to do, done. It never said beach or river, it's a body of water, okay? Which we have the pool at the yard, so might as well just do that and get it out of the way. And now we're on to the next challenges, so stay tuned.
Just get the point there, dog. Just get which point? The point. Which point? That means that I'm doing the selfie and get the zip point. No, brother. At 15. See there? Take a dip, bro. Them go in the water. Take a dip bonus. Them go in the water, bro. Press it. The take of it. Don't forget the take of it.
No.
No.
Skull, relax now, bro.
Why is Skull so excited?
Alright. Go up at him and
When me now go wake up myself.
No, but you have to.
What's them? What in there?
If thing are full of lyrics though, some of them will say it.
How many do it? Is it just one member?
Not what we have to do it.
No, read about the something.
It's a.
Them not reach.
Right there.
Which one are them?
Have a
Yeah,
karaoke
she is.
song on. Yeah. Were you there? Shiny K. I forgot to get a straight phone.
Why China K? I mean, although you're one girl, I'm sure you have a straight phone, right? Right, girl?
All I'm gonna have until all I'm
Skull, just relax now, man. You just relax now, bro. Patience. You get me? I say just relax, bro. Chill.
GG.
The race is not for the swift, mind you.
Bro.
Relax, your Skull. Relax.
We are telling me that drop.
Relax,
You know.
Relax, bro.
Believe in yourself, you take the best selfie of your
Let's
team.
do the take a selfie thing. Watch you know? We're gonna do the selfie thing, bro.
I love that selfie.
When stars in a one house, 6 years will be one. 3 platforms we're talking about. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. We'll rule the social house. We'll stay and we'll kick up.
Yeah, one thing about China K, she have a very good memory from the last challenge. Was it the last challenge? When she was doing the thing where she built the song. So, better perimeter, I do this in a she have a better chance of remembering it and doing the whole karaoke thing. But if a karaoke, she not have to look on, she not can look on the thing same way.
Kicked out. I want to get the millions and them.
What's in here? Run!
Go on.
Come now, so. Hurry up. Ciao.
We'll rule the
You know, it takes so long. I want this so long.
We'll rule the social
Yeah, make them
house.
know.
Come now, are the two of the team people,
Watch it, Ukura.
Put on your phone right there, so you're crazy.
Count
We're
it
going to
down.
record it. We'll catch it.
Where
On my phone, you don't know about me. You
Where?
drive your own, you get it. I can't find in the country.
Kind of wicked it
Are
up.
your phone is set?
Pine put truck on your car too?
Yes.
Let me say, man, get this one. If I don't
Ready? Hey, focus.
What do you ask?
Good.
Oh yeah!
When the little karaoke singing part thing start going, I don't know. I was talking about this thing again.
Who will rule the social house?
Will rule the social house? Who will win and who gets kicked out?
Only thing me know is the millions in the car. That's what me know.
Who will win the millions in the account? When stars in a one house? Everyone, see that father we're talking about YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.
Millions in our account.
Come here, Sue. Later. So we do the selfie one already.
Yeah.
We can't do more than one strangers in a bus park.
I want video in it.
No. Tick to the talk and make the strangers do a video. We take a video ourselves or something like that.
You
Dog.
know where would I go? Go around. Don't go for Limelight.
But now go around a Spanish town, brother.
Not Spanish Town. Go over the new plaza.
Off it,
Which
you
new,
know,
no,
when
go
you
over the
Spanish
new
town.
plaza. Which new plaza? Where Apple Kings and them places there?
Yes. Limelight does wild sometimes, bro.
Bro, people like the wildness. Where you
Go on.
But no. Oh, I forgot one.
Nobody did for cloud for Limelight.
So go
Go
over.
on, that's a dog.
We could go in a bus park.
For what?
I know so which new plaza?
Bus park of people.
So when them lick down here, so.
Yeah, let me lick it down the other day.
Brother!
Oh my god. They must can find somebody in a little plaza here.
This party, yes,
I'll go.
Alright, run go over bus part then.
You're the man.
You need people with vibes, bro. We can't even part this.
Do a TikTok with a stranger. Get it. Get it. Get it. Love that. Refine urban living via this complex. Lifestyle, living comfort and a sense of community in the heart of the new city. We want to live in this proven
Up there,
look.
so. Yeah, yes.
Who would have thought of that?
Yeah, it look like there's stuff for true.
Yeah.
There's some man, there's some look very new.
Right, and it look high up too.
There's some look very much like it,
I
man.
wonder if I eat this.
Oh, let me see this.
I want to see it.
It's a bit dark now because
I
there's not
want
much
to see
light
it.
on.
Them not have not.
And
Them
you
not
can
have
see
not.
there's a his and there's a hers, or the other way around, this way around.
I wonder if I don't
them.
so.
I ask them for this.
The villas at Millsboro.
Are this them called the Cesar?
Cesar.
Yeah. Sure? Alright. Come Sue. What did someone say, Sue? Take a picture of the view?
Yeah, wait, let me tell you. Head to the sky and take a picture of the view.
Of the view. What the view there? Oh, there,
Most
sir?
up there, sir. Most over here, sir.
Almost over here, sir.
It can't be nowhere else.
I wonder if we can take it from up here, sir.
Most.
More proving.
Take a picture of the view.
We want to prove inside. We prove inside. Come down here, sir. Down here, sir. Say proven.
Proven. Exactly like.
The sign say proven.
Right.
Where she a go?
Come.
See the sign of the VR, the way there, so.
It's a proven.
Come here, fellow little girl.
Oh, wait. How much we're putting on we supposed to do?
VR.
You know, I'm not physically
Yeah.
fit already either. Oh, yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Ready?
I don't think we need beer. What we need beer for?
You should have take one with the proven sign too. You know?
This not nothing. I think it should be by the. It says proven.
Should I probably go upstairs?
So you can come up here, sir, Sue?
Eh?
You can come up here, sir?
Yes, of course, sir.
Come take a picture of we up here, sir. Alright, thank you.
So first, we went and we did the karaoke challenge with the next team. We get done with that, and then we're just done with the whole proven challenge. Complete that, and then we're heading to the next. So we're going to do the selfie now, find a stranger, do the selfie challenge, and then we'll move on to the
But
next.
then
So not going too bad.
Could have find. Could have do it right this so everything them could have do right this so with the straight up on the
11
side.
flights of stairs.
Ooh.
And I like this.
And that's it for me, I'ma feel.
I wanted to learn somewhere where I could go anywhere.
Alright, so you know who make it. What up on the top floor? What up on the penthouse? Hey. Oh yeah, just see if she good. But for watch it to look, I should have dropped. Hello, good night.
But I don't know if nobody else gets it though, but we definitely, we got it.
Good night, we'll come. Let's go come.
This
We
seemed like
done
more
now.
the
Remember,
answer than
so
the
we ain't
other
go
one.
far now. Thank
Don't
you,
know if that
miss.
was a proven property.
You single?
Lifestyle and living comfort, in a sense, lifestyle and living comfort and a sense of community in the heart of the new city. Who would want to live in this proven winner of a location? Head to the sky and take a picture of the view. So it's on a hill, so I can't New Kingston.
No.
Brother, it's ready.
Most ready is
But why they would have put? Why they would have?
that's a new city.
Yeah. You know the big sign was approving, like everybody know it just approving or not. That was the first word I see. I remember my dad drive, so I couldn't really meds that. So like, but he just say, yo, proven, okay, then big sign there. So we go to the big sign and we'll take a couple pictures.
I will take picture.
Turn up there, son.
Only one thing get that right.
This now look over no city, you know.
We come from Portmore. We don't too know what Billa town still, so we just really there try, you know, remember what we know in a town, because we don't come from town.
Good morning, roomies in the social house. You know about doing the cooking over there, say that.
Not the cooking.
It's time for your clue.
Rotten!
So Bambino announced because they ensure to tell us that, yo, tune in to Zip so we can get the clue.
This is a bonus stop and worth $40,000 extra courtesy of Boom, alright? All you gotta do is find the bar that bears the name of the destination of movie stars. It's located in the city where our own reggae star Chronix grew up, alright?
St. Catherine?
Spanish Town.
Look it up, I don't know.
Spanish Town.
People there first.
We go dip in the gully then, where we go? Elsha?
Yeah, come and dip in the gully.
Enter the info in your app for the full address, alright? Good luck to you, roomies!
Bro, with that second, bro!
Calm down, we are losing. Calm down.
You are losing from morning!
No, you.
Alright, wait, where is Chronix from?
Spanish Town?
So
the name of the bar.
The address and the address. Name of the bar.
Our Chronix bar
St.
now, bro.
Catherine.
Spanish Town.
Which bar, you know? Let's go down there, go look.
Then just announced the next clue. And so we're heading into Spanish Town to see if we can find what we look for.
That's
Hopefully
all
we'll
kind of
find
stop.
We have to go in some city and ask the people where is this bar.
Right, that's all I have to do.
Find
Simple.
the bar that wears the destination of movie stars.
Find the
LA,
bar.
Hollywood?
Come back to Jamaica, come back. Find the bar.
That wears the
Bar
destination.
where people drink.
Right.
It might be a play on words. It might be like a crossbar.
What the hell is a crossbar?
Or maybe the bar
Find the bar.
of one wall where have whole heap of artists paint it on the outside. That's what I was thinking when I first heard it.
Where's the destination of movie stars? Hollywood.
In a Spanish
Google
town,
for
fine,
sure
a
where
Spanish
Chronix come from. Chronix Lane, Chronix Avenue, Chronix Community.
But Chronix have one name. Let's see if we can have one name on
I don't think China, I don't think China got Spain. But then again, Dana just come to the competition and I don't really know.
We don't know. We cannot underestimate.
Right, we don't know if him have a mother or a father or a cousin or auntie or sister or dog. You can tell him what is the name of the bar.
I like a good challenge. Actually, I like something that pushes me. And you know, this had me thinking, especially the puzzle. It was like constantly thinking what this riddle, would be.
Everybody know we're running flavor.
I'm paying for a $3,000 gas. Remember, Portmore sell the cheapest gas, so we went to Portmore and get the cheapest gas.
Yeah, because that's the only gas station we know in Portmore.
So we were kind of working harder, three more times harder than the rest of the teams. So big up Prince Pine and Fat Skull on winning this challenge.
Big up Prince Pine and Hot Skull.
Fat Skull!
Hello, look here. Fat Skull, Hot Skull, what Skull? I'm crying. Right now with the Spanish Town, I will try to find a bar. Yeah. We have to look and see which bar we see. Look like a Hollywood bar, see if we find the name. We'll try our best. Cause I forget it. We not like Spanish Town till we find it.
After the Spanish Town.
Yeah, continue. Yeah.
200 meters. Turn right.
That's the Pro Max minus me a come.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Me, that's the same thing too. That's right.
I'm capturing Paris Library. What was the capturing infiltrated Paris?
400 meters, turn left.
What was the capturing infiltrated Paris?
400 meters, turn left.
Yo, them let me know the art of Spanish town. Oh, me that manage. Right.
Think about the boss.
Read it properly. I'm not telling Knoxford it there already where you asked me again. The new Knoxford and Ochi, bro.
So yeah, we are got Ochi now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Be a driving. Look here, let me tell you something. I say, a red player, they forgot on my vehicle. Be a drive, my drive today.
Just over for the Spanish town. But with the last.
What I listen? Chronic song. You
I don't
understand?
watch the music.
And so we figure outside De La Vega
where the
City.
bar,
And we done make a couple minutes at Hollywood Bar. Wait. Boom. But this not the name, but the boom they pan it. Go around to one boom one day. Good day, sir.
What
What's
about
the
your
name of this
name?
bar?
What name? What?
Tommy Hollywood.
What?
Tommy Hollywood. Tommy Hollywood.
I eat Hollywood.
Guys.
I have to eat.
Listen.
I have to eat.
You know from where we are drive? A long way are drive.
De La Vega City. Hollywood.
It must be it. Me that thing say it's true.
Yo, but
I
let's
eat.
turn back
I
and
eat.
go. Yes, I eat.
What's your price? Hello. Come on, do the video quick.
Yeah.
Come. So guys, the boom challenge. So the name of the city is De La Vega City,
yes.
and the name of the bar is Tommy Hollywood.
Hollywood. Yes.
Hello, 40 grand that you know, 1,500 pounds that you know.
That's very good.
Best. What is the sun? Ready?
Yeah.
I'm happy they got that.
You're not gonna make it if you don't determine, guys. Guys, we did this close to just turn back, you know.
Honestly.
You guys just broke a while ago. A while ago, Paris said to me, yo, soon what we're gonna do now? We have to make an executive decision. I'm gonna say,
Yeah, said no,
the last
man.
thing to do, the last thing to what we're gonna do is just say Hollywood Bar, De La Vega City.
Right.
We never far off, you know.
And the places where the celebrities reside.
Look on the bar not even up. The name of it are just the boom, you know.
And the boom
was
is
the
just a wow.
Guys, we are not out every single time. If we do this, we can do everything else.
Period.
Let's go. We're winning this.
I'm so
Ready?
So enough.
Yes, right now. Let's go.
Love this for them. I love the teamwork.
Song, it's called the song. No, what you want to the idiot song? Cause we'll get 500 idiot points.
These are 600.
600 idiot points.
No, 500 for your song.
Yeah. Every point count, bro.
Do you know the Friends theme song? You have to do that.
What? I'll be there for you.
Is it I'll be there?
No.
I'll be there
My
for
Prince
you.
Pilot, let's go.
Like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your time, you want to start even your year. I'll be there for you. When the rain stops falling, I'll be there for you. And all my girls are horse. Or did that one more? No! No, bro! We're late. We don't.
Did you just send all my girls are whores? What the hell? It done?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. I'm disappointed one more time. It's like if it's not one team member I bring down the next, it's the two of them I bring down. Like, who is disappointing me the most right now? It's Prince Fine and Fatsko. Like, Fatsko was doing great. I know Prince Fine, I got take him down because I think he's now like immune or something, right? So it's like I don't even know what to say. Oh God, I feel so caught up about the situation. You know what I mean? Oh my God. I like the fact that they put them in teams. I guess this is to finish the show faster and take them out and see who, you know, I go with the millions in them account. I guess. I don't know. At this point, I really don't know who's going to win. It's either gonna be China K team or Rohan's team. I really don't see it happen for. Boy, women they really disappoint me. Oh my God, the Fat Skull team. Oh God. Anyways, guys, comment below what team was your favorite team. But I'm really disappointed. I love the teamwork though. I love the team effort. All when them right and strong, and if them wrong and strong, and they're just doing it confidently. So I mean, we just have to, I guess we have to give them that, because you know you have confidence in whatever you do. So I mean, if you're not confident, then where are you going? Eh? Yeah, have wrong and strong. Hello? Right there. So everybody knows say Chronics live at De La Vega. I'm come from there, so I don't know why it take them so long to know that. Like, who don't listen to Chronics and know say De La Vega City Chronics come from? Like, if Chronics don't do one thing, it definitely don't know where I'm come from. Spanish Town, De La Vega City. Like, I don't think I could get that wrong. So I mean, love that. I like this challenge. I love the fact that them started off early, and how I could know that them started off early was when them go a Mega Mart and you're able to see that and how much vehicle in a Mega Mart parking lot, which that's rare. So you know you can definitely see that they did start the challenge early. So kudos to Social House team for that. I guess I'm kind of happy that Ramesh seemed like a filler. You know, like them just draft Ramesh because him is a public figure and him just have a little hype, and you know he's doing his thing because he is a really good, you know, businessman. So I guess it was a good thing to draw for him. I just sort of wanted to know like where and how him drop in, just like how you can know say Miss Kitty did mean something to what's your name, the doll, you know, and so it was a frightened session, you know, right? So I don't know, I mean, I guess we could all wonder how Ramesh got in, but still they did a good job, and Ramesh is always dropping some good gems, inspiration and stuff. So kudos to Ramesh for that, and you know the Social House team. Anyways, I gotta go so we can film episode 7 for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know the favorite parts of this video for you, and yeah, we're gonna head over to the next video. All right, see you guys later.